My name's Alison Norlen, and I'm a visual artist with a background in painting, drawing, and more recently a lot of sculpture. And I teach at the University of Saskatchewan in the areas of painting, drawing, and sculpture. And I've been working with welding for probably about the last 5 years. And the background prior to that, I was doing a lot of soldering. But every single piece that I've made in that methodology has fallen apart, and part of the problem was the metal deteriorates. It's not very strong, so they eventually, their fragility makes them break apart. I can work with my hands on this, so I don't necessarily have to clamp things and have all sorts of spider apparatuses to hold things in place to make my connection. That basically you can do it hands-on, which I very much like, because you can twist things, you can turn things, and you can use your hands to build the apparatus that you want. The other thing that I'm enjoying about it is the fact that I can almost treat it, even on a plate like this, I can treat it almost in a way that's like drawing. And so these I see as almost being sculptural drawings, 3D drawings. And so I can work flat, but I can also work in a way which is very sculptural. So you can make things that are more organic in shape as opposed to something that is static. What I'm actually building is something this is a portion of a much larger scale work that eventually will hypothetically be 100 feet long, and it's based on the Brighton Pier, so it'll look like one of those old-fashioned idyllic theme parks on water. So it'll be this floating skeletal island that will be approximately 100 feet by 15 feet high, and people will walk around it, and it'll be pieced together like a jigsaw puzzle. So all of this will be made in fragments, and you'll see it as a kind of panoramic view first, and then you'll be able to go up and look very carefully at some of these smaller elements.